Do you know you can make 1,000 words, 100 words, as much as words you need to talk in English to speak the English language by only one word? If you don't know, then guys, I'm gonna request to all of the beginners, to all of the learners who wanna develop their vocabulary, watch this video, because in this video you are gonna get a trick, and with this trick you can produce 1,000 words in one time by only one word. Yes guys, you listen right, and if you watch this video till the end, if you understand, if you can practice the advice that I am gonna give you in this video, then guys, never ever, I am sure that in your life you are never gonna feel the emptiness of the words while speaking or while practicing the English language by speaking it. Yes, you listen right, I am also telling you the truth to everyone. And also guys, for some advanced speakers, many people, they have stock words, their vocabulary is very good, but when they speak the English language, then their whole brain become blank. Yes guys, they can't produce the words at the main and at the correct and the perfect time, and also for this thing their speaking is not good. Then guys, watch this video, it is all in one video for all of the vocabularies, for all of the stock of words, and I am sure that with only one words you can make 1,000 words. So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be very interesting, important, beneficial video for all of the beginners, for all of the learners. Because guys, today I'm gonna talk with everyone how you can develop your vocabulary very highly, very quickly by only one word. You can produce 1,100 words. How it's possible, I am gonna talk in this video. But guys, first of all, I want to share a thing. It's very little bit, but first of all you have to understand it very well, that in my life, if someone comes and if someone says to me that, oh Pradeep, I am a very new beginner to learn the English, to speak the English language, that's why I don't have any stock of words or any words to speak the English. That's why, can you please give me any advice to store words? Then guys, I will give him only one answer, that you are lying. Okay, you are lying, you are incorrect. Guys, first of all, understand, it may be any kind of beginner, it may be any type of beginner. In every way that we are gonna start, we first of all store, we first of all collect some knowledge about the word, about the work, and then we start to do it. So it is also same as well in the English language. Okay, everyone has little bit also, but they has stock of words and few words in their brain. So it proves that you have words. Okay, you are a beginner in English and you can't use words, it doesn't mean that you don't have words. You have words, but you can't use them at the correct time. Okay, if you don't have words, then how you're understanding my sentences, my words, what I am telling to you, you are capturing it very well. But now the question is that how we can use all of them. And guys, and I told this to everyone because towards the video it will help you very much to understand the trick to make 1,000 words in one word. So let's go, move on the video, but try to understand that words we have. Okay, it may be a little word, it may be mistakes, but we have the words that will help us to do conversation very clearly with someone. So now guys is the trick time. I will talk about the trick how you can make 1000 words by one word. It is very easy to practice it, but only you have to remember one thing. You have to add this practice with your daily routine. Just think, suppose in the morning you wake up and then after waking up you again sleep. But at that moment I will advise to you, just wake up early in the morning and then after waking up, freshen up and then try to do this practice. After doing this practice, the headache will go from your brain and then you can finish another works in your life. And now the question is, what is the trick? Just sit. I know that most of the people they are watching my video by sitting, but if you are sitting already, then I will advise to you, be cool and calm and relax. Okay, try to understand all of the words that are coming from my mouth very clearly and very simply. I'm not using such as very difficult words. So only you need one word to practice the practice. Okay, only you need one word. And then after taking the one word, try to make sentences. Okay, sentences making process is very beneficial. It may be for speaking developments, it may be for developing our vocabulary, it may be for making sentence quickly in the speaking movement. Okay, but first of all, we are not gonna talk about them. So for the beginners, it will be a little bit difficult, but guys, only you need a word. Okay, it may be any kind of word. It may be any. Like you can take do, go, eat, sleep, wake up, and then cycling, playing, any kind of bar related words you need. Okay, what I said, bar related. You can take dance, sing, and then write, read, listen, speak. We know all of these words very well. So only you need a verb, simple word first of all, and then after taking the word in your brain, take a copy and a pen and then write 10, 20, 50, as much as sentences you can in your mother tongue. Base the verb related word. Okay, base the verb related word. Like for example, I have chosen the word which is go. Okay, we everyone will use this go. So after taking the go, I will make few sentences. Okay, like go. I am going to the school. I go to the school every day. I will go to play. So this type of verbs like go, went, you can use also the past form of any verb. It will be very helpful for you. Like I go to school, I went to school yesterday. It will be very beneficial and it's very fun to do the practice. First of all, you are not gonna able to make and to write down the correct sentences. That's why for your satisfaction, just write down all of the words in your own mother tongue. Okay, when you will write down your own mother tongue, you will be able to speak the correct sentence that you were thinking. Okay, many people they can't speak the English because their thinking is very strong and very well, but they can't produce words and sentences like their thinking based on their thinking. So that's why if you also first of all write in your mother tongue, it may be Bengali, like my mother tongue is Bengali, and it may be Hindi, it may be any kind of language. But if you write down first of all in your mother tongue and then if you translate all of the sentences in English, then it will be very important. Just write down a bang means the sentence based on your verb in your mother tongue, and then after writing that under your mother tongue writing, just write down the English sentence, okay, that are gonna become the translation. So it's very easy to understand, it's very easy to practice. Like I will give you some examples. Like my word is go, that's why I will make some sentences in Hindi, like मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ, मैं खेलने जाऊंगा, मैं कल स्कूल गया था. So this type of words you can make. Like in my own mother tongue in Bengali we use that আমি স্কুলে যাই, আমি স্কুলে যাচ্ছি, আমি স্কুলে যাব, আমি খেলতে গিয়েছিলাম কালকে, আমি আজ বাজারে যাব, আমি এখন বাজারে যাই. So this type of words you can make and it will be very helpful for everyone. Guys, I hope everyone learned and everyone understood very clearly what is the practice. Okay, just try to listen, just try to believe with me and do this practice regularly. Wake up in the morning and then do this practice for 20 minutes. Because when you will make some sentences with only one word, then with the first word that you have chosen, with it many another words they are coming and joining automatically. Okay, when you will first of all, when you will translate all of them in the English language, you are also gonna capture and you will store them very easily. You can. And then when you will store them, it will be very easy for you to use them. Means you are gonna understand the uses of the words, when and how to use the T, the B, and also you are not have to struggle between the grammar rules very much. Remember me and do this practice. It will be very beneficial. And for some people it may be a very low class of practice, because when we are practicing it we are using our mother tongue and with the help of the internet we are translating the words. But guys, try to understand, when you will do the same activity regularly for 1 week, 2 weeks, and maximally 1 month daily for a little time, then after the 1 month you can easily produce the sentences in English. Yes, I am sure. When I did it, then I was also very amazed after 1 month. And I also want to share with everyone a very important thing, that just don't think only with one word. You have to practice the whole month. You can change your words day by day. Like if you find out 20-30 sentences in the word which is it, then you can do with another word, like speak, like dance. So it is very simple. Okay, very simple. You can do it very much. And also there is another beneficial thing, that it is also a very big problem. Whenever we speak with someone, then we can't produce the sentences in English very correctly and at a perfect time. That's why also guys it will be very helpful for you, because when you will do that, then sentences are not gonna fill you the emptiness. Okay, you can easily make words, you can easily speak the words confidently to your partner in English, and it will build up the confidence and the fluency in your speaking. Remember me. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video till now. I hope everyone learned a lot from this video, and guys, try to understand, I will always do hard work for everyone for to give you new important content to speak the English, to learn the English forever. But guys, if you want to watch all of them in our future time, if you want to speak the English in a very short time and very quick time, then guys, please subscribe my channel, because YouTube is an ocean and I am a very little fish of the ocean. But guys, if you use my works, if you can understand my works, then no one are gonna stop you to learn to speak this English fluently, confidently. Yes, I am telling the truth and not the lie. Just guys, watch. Under this video there will be a subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button with your one finger and then hit the bell icon also, because hitting the bell icon are gonna give you the notification of our videos, and your one like and one comment give me very motivation. So guys, please like this video and give a beautiful comment, because I love to talk with my subscribers, to talk with my viewers. Bye bye, I will meet you in the next video with another brand new topic. Thank you for watching. Remember guys, successful people, they don't do different things, they do the things differently. Bye bye.